If you already created a direct link to your Google review, then you might want to create a QR code so people who go into your studio or your store or your trade show, they can scan it and land on your Google reviews right away. And in order to do that, you need a QR code generator. I use QR Code Monkey mainly because right now, as we speak, they have unlimited scans and a lifetime stay with that scan. So we used in the past, when we first started, another QR code generator, and then we found out that after 50 scans it didn't work anymore. So then you print out stuff and you're stuck with that because the QR code doesn't work anymore. So this is what we use. And I assume that you already have the link prepared, and you land here and you enter your own link that you have from Google, and that's it. You just click on create QR code and it generates the code. At this point, I always take out my phone and make sure that this QR code works and it actually lands where I want it to be. And then you download it. That's it. You have a QR code now, an image QR code that you can use anywhere. We also create little stands for our clients that that they can put on the reception desk or take to trade shows, something like this.